Hi, everybody. We are back today with Professor Emily. Professor Emily, can you say good morning?
Good morning.
We're so excited to be doing a new activity for you today. It's got some science because there's some mixing of a lot of different ingredients. It's got a little bit of math because we are using a variety of different measuring tools. So, are you ready to go?
Yes.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do this morning is we're going to show you some of the things, some of the tools that you're going to need to do this experiment. So first of all, you're going to need some measuring spoons. Measuring spoons come in a variety of different sizes. Thank you, Professor Emily, she's showing us. So we have a tablespoon, a half a tablespoon. Don't worry, that's okay. We have a teaspoon, we have half a teaspoon. And we have the smallest one, which is a quarter of a teaspoon. So, Professor Emily, how many of these quarter teaspoons would I need to make up one whole teaspoon?
4.
That's right, because a quarter means it's 4 pieces of a whole. Good job. All right, so we're going to put these aside. I don't need those. We're also using a measuring cup. And as you can see, the measurements are right here on the side for us to know how much water we're going to need for this experiment. So this cup is a measuring cup for liquids. And you will also find that you might have these kinds of measuring cups in your cabinet. So these can either be for powders or liquids. All right? So today we're using 2 different kinds of measuring cups. So, Professor Emily, can you please tell our friends what we are making today?
We are making fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime! Everybody say fluffy slime! Oh, I'm so excited.
Slime.
All right. So, what are some of our ingredients? We have
Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue. We have
Shaving cream.
shaving cream. Be nice and clean. And
Baking soda.
baking soda. And one very important ingredient that you have to go to the to maybe CVS or Walgreens for is our
Saline
solution. All right, so there we go. All right, we are going to look at our recipe right here. It's the directions that tell you how to do things. Now, Professor Emily, do you think that we can just throw stuff in any way we want, or do we have to follow the directions?
Well, we have to follow the directions.
To make sure it works out right.
Because the time I tried to make the sand, it didn't turn out very well because I didn't really. I followed the steps one by one, but I didn't put as much as they needed.
So you always have to read the directions and read the amount of ingredients that you have to put in, because otherwise it doesn't work. All right, so we're going to start from the beginning. Let's see, add your white glue to the bowl. So here we have the bowl, and everybody knows who this is.
Mr. Happy Spoon.
Mr. Happy Spoon. Everybody say, hi, Mr. Happy Spoon.
Hi, Mr. Happy Spoon.
Well, hello, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be doing this project with you today. All right, here we go. So we need the glue. So how much glue do we need? 2/3 of a cup of Elmer's glue. You hold that, and I'll do the pouring. Let's take Mr. Happy Spoon. The best thing to do is always hold your cup right over the bowl, just in case you have some spillage. So there's one. Pour that in there. And you can take Mr. Happy Spoon, and he can help by getting some of that out of the cup.
I don't think Mr. Happy Spoon likes it.
Oh, my lips are getting glued together.
Your head is.
I got glue in my hair. Don't worry, Mr. Happy Spoon. We will wash you when we are done.
Yay.
All right, let's go for the next one. Ready? Hold it up a little bit more. No, the cup, sweetheart. There you go.
Mr. Happy Spoon's happy to be out of that.
I'm sure he is. Who wants glue in their hair? Ugh, not me. All right, there is the second. So that is 2/3 cup of Elmer's glue. Now we need a half teaspoon of baking soda. So I will work on this mess and you scoop up the baking soda.
This
Get all that glue out. That's right. You use your finger. You were correct. You used that's perfect. So did everybody see what Emily did? She scooped up, we're gonna show them again, Emily, because that was a really important thing to do. The first thing Emily did was she scooped up a great big scoop like that, but then she used her finger to make sure she leveled it off and she had just the right amount that she needed. So Emily put that in there, okay, and we will move this to the side, and we'll do that. All right, next we need, not yet, next we need the water. So we need a 1/4 cup of water. You ready? Tell me when to stop.
Stop. No, don't. Stop.
Okay, put it in. Great, now slowly mix that up, please. She's mixing, stirring and stirring and stirring my slime. Ooh. Doesn't look very slimy yet. Let's see what else we need to put in there.
It looks more watery.
All right, keep it up. Gotta mix. Next, we're gonna add our shaving cream to the mix, and the more shaving cream you add, the fluffier it will be. All right, audience, do you want super fluffy slime? If you do, everybody shout yes!
Yes!
All right, super fluffy slime it is. So here we go.
So 3.
You remember what the measurement was? 3 cups.
Oh yeah, all of this.
Here we go.
Almost done with 3. Almost done with 1.
Almost done with, oh, I'm gonna shake up my can.
Oh,
Oh, that made it super fluffy.
Ooh.
All right. Oh, it smells good. It smells like somebody's getting a shave.
Hey.
You know what? Hold on 1 second. Let's shake it. All right.
If we need all the shaving cream we can get.
We do.
If you want fluffy slime, there's some on the bottom. Hey, you're getting some.
Now there's some on your nose. All right, ready? There we go.
Mrs. Smiley was saying that.
Is that a whole cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, stick it in there. Uh-oh. Maybe you need to use Mr. Happy Spoon.
I'm coming to the rescue.
Add
boys.
your shaving cream and mix. The more shaving cream you have, the fluffier it will be. You need to add more content. Okay, so we need to put in the solution.
Deb, could you help me?
Oh my goodness gracious. We're having a shaving cream catastrophe here.
We need 1 more.
Oh boy.
Mr. Happy Spoon is not very happy.
No, it's a little, but think about how clean he's getting.
How's he getting clean?
All right, so Emily, why don't, because shaving cream is really soap, why don't you mix that up?
And then will
And
you
I'll
fill
just
the rest?
do this the easy way. There we go. Okay,
Is that 1 cup?
now you need to put on your goggles, my dear, because we are going to put the saline solution in. All right? And here we go.
Should I wash my
No, I don't think so. We need 1.5 teaspoons of, no, 1.5 tablespoons, so, of the saline solution. So here we go.
Yeah.
Yep, that's why you got your goggles on. 1, and this is the half. And here we go. Woo! All right, Emily, stir that up. While Emily's stirring, I'm going to quickly get up because we forgot the best part. The color! Keep stirring, Emily. Everybody sing. Stir, stir, stir.
Stir.
Stirring and stirring. We are stirring up our brew.
Do you guys?
Stirring and stirring.
It feels good.
Does it feel good? All right.
Yeah, it feels fluffy.
Coming back. Oh, looks fluffy. Let's show the audience So this is the consistency of your fluffy slime.
It
We
looks
still
great.
need to, but it still needs to be stirred up.
I think we should put it in the food coloring now.
It's just beginning to slime up very nicely. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, so cool.
Oh no.
All right, Emily, would you like to go rinse your hands off and come right back?
Yeah.
So, grown-ups, if you are going to be making this with your kids, this is what it should look like. It should start to be pulling off from the sides of the bowl and get a little kind of bouncy. And it doesn't really stick to your hands anymore when it's at this point. I'm just going to quickly pull up my sleeves. And as soon as my assistant comes back, we are going to add the color to this fabulous fluffy slime. So,
I'll put the
paper towels for your hands to dry. There you go. You're welcome.
I will put the blue in first.
All right, so Emily's going to put the blue in first. Here we go.
How many drops?
Let's try 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Mix that up. And then here's the pink.
I'll try.
We wanted to do unicorn slime, so we're adding a little bit of pink to this.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that was 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Maybe like 4.
Here we go.
But the blue is darker than pink.
It is. Hold on. Almost looks like a big bowl of marshmallows. So there you have it. Here is our beautiful slime.
It feels great.
It feels wonderful. It's fun to play with.
Put it back in the bowl.
And
Wait, I want to do something. Put it back in the bowl.
we're not going to put it back in. All right. Thanks for joining us for this segment of Fluffy Slime. And we hope you guys are having a great day today. And we will see you soon. Say goodbye.
Bye.